roll up so that you hear what you sounded like before that line.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Just one. Alan, let go. Let go. Today's for GQ. Let go. Today's for GQ.
But you're not as happy.
Exactly.
You gotta
Alan,
match.
let go. Today's for GQ.
That's why we give her a little more of the roll up so that she
Right.
hears what's
Yeah.
going on.
Alan, let go. Today's for GQ. Alan, let go. Today's for GQ.
Something like that, yeah.
Do you want me to set the shot up for
Alan,
this?
let go. Today's for
might as
GQ.
well.
Yeah,
We don't have any
idea.
idea when Angela's going to be
I-
here yet, right?
Yeah.
No, we don't know where
I
she
just
is.
called. I'll call her at her work number too.
We might as well do Mom now
Okay.
while we're waiting.
Alan, let go. Today's for GQ. Alan, let go. Today's for GQ. Alan, let go.